While BIM models are a great tool for modeling the architecture of a building in order to generate plans, schedules, and 3D views, they can also be a great tool for tracking furnishings and equipment. In this session, you will use the Object tool to place furniture and equipment in the architectural model. Select the Object tool. The Object tool is used to place objects in the model. Each catalog item is linked to some type of cell, static or parametric, and various data group definitions that create the properties that can be tracked with each item. Note the number of different catalog types that can be selected with this tool. The type determines the properties that will be available. Select the Equipment Station catalog type. Select the Bench Seating PBS002 catalog item. This is an example of a non-parametric cell, but note that it does have 2D plan symbology that will display in the drawing plan view. Give this a type ID of F1. You can add other properties, such as a manufacturer's name. Set the floor selector to Station Ground Floor and make sure the locks are toggled on. Place a few benches in the model within the waiting area. In the Place Object dialog, change the catalog type to Equipment, Ticketing, and Fare Control. Select the catalog item Ticket Dispenser, Kiosk, Wall-Mounted, TKW001. This is also an example of a non-parametric cell with 2D plan symbology, but it also has a perforator like a door or window so that it can be recessed into a wall. Set the base offset to determine the placement height in the wall, and then place one on each wall to either side of the ticket counter. Continue to place furniture and equipment to finish the interior of the station. In the next session, you will create a schedule of the equipment and furnishings and place it on the drawing.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. If you want to see more such series, consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you, and see you next time.